Good morning, students. So today we are going to see exercise 1.7 third problem. By using Gaussian elimination method, balance the chemical reaction equation. So this equation is given. So here there are four terms. So I am going to take the four positive integers. This word is very important. Positive integers we are going to take, that is x1, x2, x3, x4. In how we are going to take in such a way that, look at this, x1C2H6 plus x2O2, which implies x3H2O plus x4CO2. Okay, so see that in this equation carbon, hydrogen and oxygen atoms are there. So we are going to equate on both the sides. Okay, look at this. First we will consider the carbon atoms. You see that here in the left hand side you are having two carbon atoms. Okay, so total number is 2x1. So see the right hand side, here in this term you are having one carbon atom, so it is x4. So I formed the equation 2x1 is equal to x4. 2x1 is equal to x4. First I have completed equating the carbon atoms on both the sides. Next I will move to the hydrogen atoms. So see the left side, 6 hydrogen atoms. Upper 6 into x1 is 6x1. Go to the right hand side, here two hydrogen atoms are there, so it is 2x3. So 6x1 is equal to 2x3. Okay, so next we are moving to the oxygen atoms. So here it is 2, so 2x2 which is equal to 2x4. Sorry, here also you are having oxygen, so it is 2x2 in the left side and 1x3, and here you are having 2x4. So the equation will become 2x2 is equal to x3 plus 2x4. Okay, so I brought all the variables in one side. I made the right hand side as 0. You look at this, these three equations. So three equations are there, and how many unknowns here you are having? x1, x2, x3, x4. Okay, so you see the right side, you are having 0. There is no constant involved. So these three equations form a homogeneous system of linear equations in four unknowns. Okay, so how we are going to solve? We are going to use Gaussian elimination method. For that, what's the first step you have to do? You have to find the augmented matrix A0. So the coefficient of x1, x2, x3, x4, then the right hand side element. You look at the second equation, x1 and x4 is there, the remaining will become 0. So 2, x1, the coefficient is 2. No x2 in the second equation and no x3. So I will put 0, 0, and x4 coefficient is -1. So the right hand side is equal to 0. Come to here. So 6x1. So I have written 6 here. No x2. So it is 0. Your x3 coefficient is -2. So x4 is 0. So it is equal to 0. In the same way, come to the fourth equation. No x1. So in the place of x1 I have put 0. See here it is 2 -1 -2, which is equal to 0. So we got the augmented matrix. Then what you have to do? You have to bring it to the echelon form. So echelon form means you have to make these two elements or 0. Already here 0 is present. So you have to transform R2. So using it, in the place of R1 you are having 2. So you have to make these two elements or same. So I am going to multiply this 2 by 3. So the transformation is R2 implies R2 minus 3R1. So you will get this answer. So I made these two elements are 0. So you see that to bring the echelon form, here the element should be 0, but it is the previous element above the element. Here you are having 0. So what I am going to do is R2 and R3 has to be interchanged. So see that it looks into the echelon form. So below the first non-zero entry, these two are 0. Here comparing second and the third row, below this first non-zero entry, here it is 0. So it is we brought into the echelon form. So you have to find the rank of the matrix. So hiding the fourth column, what is the rank of the matrix? Rank of the matrix is 3. So number of non-zero rows, 1, 2, 3. And number of the whole augmented matrix is also 3. So in the homogeneous system, row of A is equal to row of the augmented matrix, which is equal to 3. You see that 3, these two are equal to 3. You look at in this equation how many unknowns you are having? 4 unknowns. So 3 here you are having, so it is less than number of unknowns. So if it is less than number of unknowns means your conclusion is the system is consistent, it has infinite number of non-trivial solution. What is it? Infinite number of non-trivial solution. Okay, so we have to find that using echelon form. Okay, so come to the echelon form. You look at the first equation. So it is a coefficient of x1. So 2x1 minus x4 is equal to 0. Come to the second equation, 2x2 minus x3 minus 2x4 is equal to 0. Come to the third one, minus 2x3 plus 3x4 is equal to 0. Okay, 3 equations. How many unknowns? 4 unknown. So I am going to take x4 is equal to 2. So while I am substituting x4 is equal to t, where t is not equal to 0. Okay, ma? If t is equal to 0, all the x1, x2, x3, x4 will become 0. So you will get the trivial solution. So you have to mention, this is the important one, t is not equal to 0. Okay, you have mentioned it is a non-trivial solution. So x4 is equal to t, where t is not equal to 0. While you are substituting here, you will get x1 is equal to t by 2. The same x4 is equal to t, when you substitute in this equation, you will get x3 is equal to 3 by 2 into t. Go for the next one. The next equation, when you substitute x3 and x4 values, you will get x2 is equal to 7 by 4 into t. Okay, look at your x1, x2, x3, x4. Okay, ma? So how they should be? They should be a positive integers. Okay, positive integers. For example, I am substituting t is equal to 2. So x4 is equal to 2. Come to x1, 2 by 2, that is equal to 1. Okay, x3, when you come to x3, when you substitute t is equal to 2, 2 getting cancelled, it is 3. Okay, so x2, come to x2, when t is equal to 2, what will come? So here 7 by 2. 7 by 2 is not a integer. So we can't substitute t is equal to 2. Okay, so you see, look at this. The values of x1, x2, x3 and x4. Okay, you see that it is divisible by 2. Here also it is divisible by 2, but it is divisible by 4. So I am going to take t is equal to 4. When t is equal to 4, x1 is equal to 2. When you substitute x2, x2 is equal to 7 and x3 is equal to 6. You see that x1 2, x2 as 7, x3 as 6 and x4 only t, that is equal to 4. 4, 2, 7, 6, they are positive integers. So therefore the balanced equation, what is the equation we have taken first? This equation. In the place of x1, what you have to substitute? 2. So it is 2C2H6. In the place of x2, it is 7. So it will become 7O2. So x3, what is x3? 6. So 6H2O. What is x4? x4 is equal to t, that is equal to 4. So here 4CO2. Hence the equation is balanced. Thank you, students.